In the 1970s, the B-1 bomber took to the skies, quickly becoming one of the most advanced and feared bombers in the world. And now, with the highly anticipated XFly B-1 bomber twin 70mm EDF coming to market, we can experience the thrill of this iconic aircraft for ourselves. But it doesn't stop there. Introducing the new B-1 bomber multi-burner simulated afterburner system. This revolutionary LED lighting system simulates that beautiful afterburner glow from the 4 B-1 exhausts, bringing this model to life like never before, taking the XFly B-1 to new heights of scale realism. So, as we experience the power and history of this amazing aircraft, paying tribute to what is one of the greatest bombers in history, why not experience the dynamic and eye-catching power that comes with full afterburner as well? The RC Geek B-1 multi-burner, available now. Hi everyone, Chris here. As you saw, I'm excited to announce a brand new multi-burner simulated afterburner design for the new XFly B-1 bomber. This looks like an amazing model. It is big, it's a twin 70mm EDF, and I'm really excited to see it come to the market. It's such a unique and iconic aircraft. You know, the market has really been longing for something like this for a long time. And so this is a new and exclusive design specifically for that airplane. I worked closely with the team pilots from Banana Hobby on the design to ensure that it fit properly, to make sure there was no performance loss at all, which there isn't. And also to understand the installation requirements to make sure that all of the required wire lengths are included with the kit. This is a large model, and the B-1 bundle comes with all of the required lengths of wire to ensure the installation just drops right in. We're talking about almost 6 feet worth of wire length to ensure that it fits into the airplane without any additional extensions or anything like that. And so the installation is simple. It's just like all my other center burner designs. It's an in-runner motor in there. There are set screws that are supplied, and so the tail cone simply just clamps onto the back of the motor itself once you've fed the motor wires through the slot that's in the tail cone. And then obviously it's a matter of routing the wires forward and getting it all plugged into your receiver. Now in the airframe, it looks amazing. It really just finishes off the look of the airframe. It's very convincing and authentic, you know, because you've got the 2 light boards out the dual exhaust, even though you've got a single fan in there. And so it's really hard to beat the look of that. So I'm very excited to be able to offer these for you guys. So with all of that said, it is time to finally announce the winners of our FMS Warbird giveaway. We were giving away a 1400mm Corsair and the 1100mm PC-21, awesome models. And so first of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who entered. I cannot thank you enough for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I cannot thank you enough. And so the winner of the F4U Corsair is Nicholas Seeley, and the winner of the PC-21 is Matt Collings. Yeah! Congratulations, both of you. I will be in contact with you to get these shipped out to you right away. And so until our next giveaway, guys, thank you so much. There's a lot happening on the B-58 right now. We are in full hardware mode. I'm working on the next installment now, and that should post sometime in the middle of March. The first installment of the B-58 build did post recently. You can see that here. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you at the field.